Welcome to ShopKeep Video Support. I'm Anya, here to help you set up your ShopKeep iPad stand. The ShopKeep iPad stand provides a stylish way to display your register at checkout and comes with a pivot table base that allows the register to rotate to face customers. We'll set up our stand with a 9.7-inch iPad, but the process is identical for other iPad sizes. Let's get started. Begin by laying the stand face down on a flat surface. Find the side with only 2 screws, and use the stand assembly tool to remove the screws and the bracket on this side. Then loosen, but do not remove, the 4 screws on the opposite side. If you have an iDynamo credit card reader, spread apart the 2 supports and place the reader face down between them. Close the supports so that the ridges fit into the holes on the sides of the reader. If you don't have an iDynamo, unscrew the 2 outer screws on this side and remove the supports completely. Now, locate the provided adapter clips. You'll need to use these if you have an iPad Air 2, a 9.7-inch iPad Pro, or an iPad Mini. Just attach a clip to each notch on the bracket still connected to the stand. If you have an iPad Mini 4, put the included foam pieces between the clips and your iPad to make the device fit more securely. At this point, you can slide your iPad face down under the bracket. If you have an iDynamo, plug it into the iPad's charging port as you do this. If you're using the adapter clips, attach them to the other bracket. Position the bracket over the iPad, reinsert the screws, and gently tighten all screws on the frame until you feel resistance. Finally, locate the 2 adhesive discs. The white disc has adhesive on both sides for permanently adhering the stand to a counter. The dark disc has foam on one side for temporary placement. Peel the backing from your chosen disc and apply directly to the pivot table base on the bottom of the stand. Setup is now complete and the stand is ready for use. If you have any questions, just visit us online at shopkeep.com/support.